Hello and welcome from the ARM School programme. I am delighted to introduce our new course, which is called Introduction to Programming Using MicroPython. Now this course covers how to program a microbit using MicroPython. We won't assume any pre-existing knowledge about programming or physical computing, and hopefully everybody can follow along and learn how to program a microbit. This course was originally designed to be part of an online interactive course with teacher dashboards as well as lots of other teaching and learning resources. Given the current COVID-19 pandemic, we felt it was necessary to release these videos as soon as possible to help with all of the emergency remote teaching that is occurring. All of the modules in this playlist have been designed to be watched in order as they build on concepts and techniques explained in earlier videos. But if you feel more confident with what's been covered in one of the modules, feel free to jump around. If you've never used MicroPython and you've never used a microbit, then we recommend watching the videos from start to finish. You can also find a short summary of each of the modules in the description below. Most of the modules also include a series of Have a Go tasks which can be downloaded from here. There is also a link in the description below. These allow you to apply the skills and techniques which are explained in the modules using either a microbit or one of the online emulators and also in the online MicroPython IDE. You can find out more about the ARM School programme at arm.com/schools. We're also on Twitter at ARM Education. The ARM School programme also has a whole host of free resources on arm.com. These include a project book as well as full courses for Key Stage 3 that cover the national curriculum in computing, and these map directly to the US CSTA standards in computing as well. We hope this video series proves useful to learners that are currently studying from home, and we hope that it breaks down some of the more complicated concepts and makes them more easy to understand. There are 31 modules in this course, and we're also producing a new course called Introduction to Computer Science Using Microbit, and this will be released over the coming weeks and months. So if you want to stay on top of what the ARM School programme are doing and what we're releasing on this channel, then please like and subscribe.